How to get Telegram Premium for free. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now tap on the hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen and simply select on settings. Now simply scroll down, and as you scroll down you can see the option of Telegram Premium over here. Tap on Telegram Premium, and here you can see there are different options of packages. You have an annual package and monthly package, so it costs certain percent or certain price for it, so you can subscribe for certain percent over here per year. So these are all the advantages or all the offers that you get if you have Telegram Premium. But to get Telegram Premium for free, it is not really possible, because since it's a premium version, you need subscriptions and you need to pay certain amount to get the premium version of Telegram. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.